I'm Thomas. I'm the founder and inventor of MyCRS. I have a bachelor degree in E&E. For the past 15 years, I have been inventing machines for the construction industry. I have been involved in designing testing systems for mega projects in different countries, such as Dubai Central Lab, MTS system for Hong Kong, and CRS system for Singapore. I am proud to say MyCRS is my brainchild, and I am excited to continue innovating in this field. Our mission is to ensure that every home is safe to stay and fair to own.
MyCRS is actually a system comes with 3 innovations to modify existing concrete testing flow into cloud-based and big data platform. It is a IR4 tools that developed by Malaysian and has been tested and used in Singapore and Hong Kong. It provides online traceability solution and transparent tools for government to control and monitor the quality and process of construction. Our intended users are individual construction material testing lab and also the government testing lab. As for marketing and commercialized strategy for us is to conduct seminar in private and government sector. As MyCRS system can significantly simplify and reduce human error in cube report generating. There are different business models. To promote this system, one of the options is to sell an upgrade of 30,000 to upgrade their existing old machine or buy a new one at 120,000 per unit. Another plan is to charge on the lab report generation by software, or we can run a rental basis. According to CIDB data, there are 33 million cubic meter concrete generating per year. With MyCRS system, it brings direct and indirect impact to the environment. One of the direct impact is that it will significantly reduce paper usage in the industry at 95,000. With the system, engineers can plan their structure better and reduce usage in concrete, which directly leads to reduction in CO2 emissions. With MyCRS system, it will indirectly improve building toughness of building and protect it from failure, which could cause massive wastage of concrete. Therefore, with MyCRS system, it improved 300% working efficiency, paper safe, and improved 30% performance in the overall concrete industry.
In concrete compression testing, the technician casts the concrete cubes and adds information like the date of casting, project name, and location of a piece of paper stuck on the sample. The cube is then cured in a tank for 7 to 28 days before being taken out for weighing, measuring, and crushing. After breaking the sample, the technician records the ultimate strength on the lab worker order. Generating a report requires manually entering the data into an Excel form. The current process is paper-based and bulky, making it prone to human errors like reading and typo mistakes, testing the wrong samples, replacing low-quality samples, or manually altering test results.
I'm going to explain the new innovation. MyCRS is actually a system that comes with 3 innovations. The first one is the MyCRS tracking chips, namely as the Twinate concrete double tracking chip. Second, MyCRS touchscreen. We name it as the concrete IoT precision contrivance. Third, MyCRS phone apps and backend system. We name it as the concrete hybrid checkpoint operating system. As referred to the previous slide, there are component A to E. We use Twinate concrete double tracking chip to improve component A, B, and C. Then, we use the concrete IoT precision contrivance to improve component D. It is actually an attachment top box which complies to international standards while enhancing the existing process. Bring in the IR4 technology to transform the existing old-style compression machine into the latest IoT capabilities. Also, we have concrete hybrid checkpoint operating system to be installed in all the handphones with Android system to ensure that the whole process is transparent, with the world's certified securities and higher traceability. Imagine client has a site project and office worker will register at the tracking chip, then distributed to the site workers. While pouring the concrete on the project location, they will cast 3 to 6 samples. Site worker will use handphone to scan and mark the chip that has been installed on the samples. Once the curing done, sample will be taken out and sent to nearest testing lab. Now I'm going to describe the project demonstration part. They can choose the lab from MyCRS pre-registered lab list. Lab will receive the notification and prepare space and time slot for testing. Upon receiving all the samples, lab worker will use MyCRS apps to scan and check in these samples. These samples will be measured and weighed before carried to crushing machine to get its ultimate strength. Once lab worker move the samples to the testing chamber, the machine will automatically scan for its identifications. Then, during the test, when pressure reach 100 kN, the system will scan the sample again to ensure that the sample is not swapped or altered. Right after testing is completed, the result will be sent to MyCRS cloud server and an automatic testing report will be generated which ready to be shared to the right parties. For the Android apps and also the backend system, due to the time constraint, you may scan this QR code to see in detail how my application and also the backend works.
This project benefits everyone involved in construction: banks, homeowners, governments, developers, consultants, architects, and contractors all benefit from it. Our technology helps the construction industry to ensure public safety by monitoring the quality of building materials. It's exportable worldwide and supports the new design code applied in Malaysia. With 6.7 million properties in Malaysia and 32,000 new houses built every year, our technology ensures that every building materials has a traceable history and a clear record of quality. This provides transparency and accountability in the industry and helps prepare us for potential risks. With our solution, the public safety is well taken care of.